Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up EV charging statements from Electrify. To back up your EV charging statements from Electrify America, begin by opening your preferred internet browser. Visit the Electrify America website at www.electrifyamerica.com. Once the page loads, locate the Sign In button typically found in the upper right corner. Click on the Sign In button and enter your account credentials. If you don't have an account, select Sign Up to create a new account. After signing in, navigate to your account dashboard. Look for the Charging History or Statements section on the dashboard. Click on this section to view your charging statements. You should see a list of your recent charging sessions and associated costs. To download a specific statement, select the desired month or date range. Once selected, look for a Download or Export button, often represented by an icon. Click on this button to initiate the download process. Your browser may prompt you to choose a download location. Select a folder on your computer where you want to save the statement. After selecting the folder, confirm the download by clicking Save. Wait for the download to complete, which may take a few moments. Once finished, navigate to the folder where you saved the statement. Open the downloaded file to ensure it is complete and readable. Consider organizing these files in a dedicated folder for easy access. To further ensure backup, consider uploading the statements to a cloud storage service. Access your preferred cloud service and log into your account. Upload the downloaded statements from your computer to the cloud. Verify the upload to ensure that your documents are safely stored online. By following these steps, you will effectively back up your EV charging statements from Electrify America. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.